Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video we're going to be making our Spanish style rice, some fried chicken, and green beans. I'll have everything I used in the description box below. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and if this sounds like a meal you want to make, stay tuned. So to begin, we'll start with our rice, and I'm adding 2 cups of parboiled rice, 1 cup of water, 1 jar of tomato sofrito, some green pitted olives, and a can of green pigeon peas. I'll stir everything together and let it boil. And once it boils, I'll turn the heat down to simmer and cover it and let it finish cooking. It should look like this, and then you turn it to simmer. Then we'll start on our chicken. These are the 2 seasonings I'm using. With the Adobe seasoning, I go light-handed because it does have salt in it, so your food can be very salty if you use too much. So I just sprinkle it on there and then I mix it all very well. Once I'm done seasoning my chicken, I'll season my flour, and I'll use the same things that I season my chicken with to season the flour. And I'm just putting about a cup of flour in a plastic bag and shaking everything up together. Because there's no point in having seasoned chicken if when you bite into it, the skin doesn't taste like anything. While I was seasoning chicken, I had my vegetable oil going. And once it reached 350 degrees, I dropped my chicken in. And I don't want to overcrowd the pot, so I'm just doing a few pieces at a time. About 5 or so minutes later, once it gets this nice brown color, I turn it. And once your chicken reaches 180 degrees internal temperature, it is done. So while my chicken was cooking, I'll start on my green beans. And here I'm just sauteing some onions. And then I'll add a bag of frozen green beans because I hate canned vegetables. And that's it. Once I finish this and finish my chicken, dinner is ready to be served. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, guys, go ahead and click it because you don't want to miss any more recipes like this. Alright guys, dinner is served. Pretty simple and very delicious. Until next time, thanks for watching.